Hi, this is Dr. Raymond Connors, a professional international English coach. Today, I'm going to show you a lesson about health. This is for beginner level, so I'll be speaking a lot slower and much more clearly than usual. So if you're a beginner and want to know a little bit about health, keep watching this lesson. When you are sick, you go to a doctor. Sick. Ugh. When you are sick, you go to a doctor. Can you repeat that? When you are sick, you go to a doctor. Good. Patients visit the doctor. Patients visit the doctor. Patient. Doctor. Patients visit the doctor. We go to the hospital when we feel ill. Hospital. Hospital. We go to the hospital when we feel ill. Ill and sick are the same. We go to the hospital when we feel ill. Doctors give medication to their patients. Medication. Medication. Doctors give medication to their patients. When your head hurts, you have a headache. Headache. When your head hurts, you have a headache. Headache. I am sick, so I need to see a doctor. I am sick, so I need to see a doctor. Where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? I am sick, so I need to see a doctor. Where is the hospital? Some doctors work at the hospital. Some doctors work at the hospital. Medication helps you feel better. Medication helps you feel better. My doctor has many patients. My doctor has many patients. When I have a headache, I take medication. When I have a headache, I take medication. When I have a headache, I take medication. Some doctors work at the hospital. Medication helps you feel better. My doctor has many patients. When I have a headache, I take medication. Can you match the pictures A, B, C, and D with the stories 1, 2, 3, and 4? We are going to the hospital. We are going to the hospital. Which picture? A. A patient sees a doctor. See in English sometimes means to visit. A patient sees a doctor. Which picture? Picture B. A patient sees a doctor. Number 3. Do you have a headache? Headache. Do you have a headache? Which picture? Picture D. Do you have a headache? And the last one. I need to buy some medication. I need to buy some medication. Picture C. Medication. Medication. I need to buy some medication. Pizza, chips, and soda are a bit unhealthy. Unhealthy. Not healthy. Pizza, chips, and soda are a bit unhealthy. Eating lots of fruits and vegetables is very healthy. Fruits, vegetables. Eating lots of fruits and vegetables is very healthy. For further English lessons with Dr. Ray, all you have to do is follow the links that you will find underneath this video. Just click one of those links and you will be able to talk to me to make an appointment to talk about further English lessons. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and you are very healthy.